Hello students, I am Charulata Metkar from Samarpan Gyan School. This is class 9 mathematics. Today we are continue in lesson 6 lines and angles. Today's our session is about the transversal lines and pair of angles made by transversal with that lines. Now see the diagram. This is line, this is second line, and this is one more line. Then this line is known as transversal. This part already we studied in the previous classes, but we revise it for solving the exercise problems. Okay, this line is transversal. Transversal intersect these two lines in two different points. If one line crosses intersect to other line, then at the point of intersection there are four angles. Total 4 angles are there if one line intersect to the other line. Here how many lines are intersecting? Transversal intersect to two different lines. Therefore at the first point of intersection there are 4 angles, and for the second point of intersection there are more 4 angles, means total 8 angles. Clear? Same way here. What happened here? Only the lines directions are changing. Here lines are intersecting and these are the parallel lines. Here transversal is going to the left side and here transversal is going to the right side. Is it okay? Information is same, only pictorial diagram. Picture of the diagram is different. Okay? Here again making the 4 angles, total 8 angles by the transversal with these two lines. Clear? Now I highlighted some part. See this part where my pencil is working. My pencil is running. Okay. This part is nothing but your English alphabet type shape. Like a Z. Which shape? Z shape. This is Z shape. Likewise this is also Z shape. It is not exactly Z, but it is the like Z shape. When you draw the Z in English alphabet, then there are the two angles in that alphabet. This one and this one. Angle means corner. Two corners are there in every Z. See here, here, here and here. And the Z shape angles are known as alternate interior angles. When we solve the examples in from exercise or worksheet, as soon as you read the word, listen the word alternate interior angles, then that Z shape must come in your mind. Z shape must come in your mind and showing the two angles. Z shape giving you two angles, pair of one angle. These angles are alternate interior angles. Okay. See in the first diagram, which is the alternate interior angle? 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Same way if I draw the Z like this, see the movement of the pencil. If you are making the Z like this, then which pair will be there? Correct. 3 and 5. Shabas. Angle 3 and angle 5 will be the alternate interior angles. Same for this figure. If you consider the Z shape, then 3 paired with 5. And if you consider the Z shape, then 4 paired with 6 as alternate interior angles. Then 4 and Z, 3 and 5. Got it? And very important property of these are, when you are solving the problem, then you must remember that If angles are equal, then lines must be the parallel. And if lines are parallel, then angle must be equal. See, these lines are parallel, therefore angles are equal. Lines are not parallel, then angles are not equal. Is it okay? Then you must remember this. Is it okay? Means alternate interior angles means Z-shape angles. Z-shape angle are alternate interior angles. Don't forget it. Now we see the second type. For the second type, see the diagram. Again there are the two lines and one transversal. Two lines and transversal. Two lines and transversal. Three different figures are given. And here I noted the angles with A, B, C, D instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. Next are, instead of 5, 6, 7, 8, I write E, F, G, H. Means which 8 angles are there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, small letters. Same here. Now, can you observe the highlighted portion? Which shape is highlighted there? Observe and tell me. Correct. It is bowl shape, U shape, Shabas. Okay. Then angles showing the bowl or U are interior angles. What is the type? Interior angles. Pair of interior angles. Got it? Now, how to identify? See this bowl? In this bowl, two angles are there. If you make the straight lines and you consider this bowl shape, then two angles are there. These angles are known as interior angles. Interior, inside. Inside of what? Bowl. Inside the bowl, whatever the angles are known as interior angle. Then the first pair is angle D and angle E. Next pair is angle C and F. Same way here. See this bowl shape. In this bowl D and E. In this bowl C and F. Same way for this. D and E, C and F. Suppose I rotate the figure. See like this. Then again you are getting the bowl. Angles are CF, DE. Here also one bowl. CF, DE. Means either rotating, you also getting the same pair. See the rotation. Is it okay? These pairs which are inside the bowl are interior angles. How many pairs are there of interior? Two pairs of interior angles. Okay? One more property. If the lines are parallel, then interior angles are supplementary. Means addition of two interior angles is 180 degree. Addition of interior angles is 180 degree if lines are parallel. If lines are not parallel, then they will not show the pair in linear pair addition 180. Okay? Means till now we see the two shapes. First one is the Z, alternate interior angles, and bowl shape, U shape, interior angles. Now we see the third type. For corresponding angles, we see the diagram. Again, two lines, one transversal, two lines, one transversal. See the carefully highlighted part from the diagram. Can you understood it? Highlighted part, it started from here to here and in between one line. For the second side, pencil is moving like this and this. Means you are getting the structure like this. What are these shapes? Shabas. English alphabet, capital F. And in that capital F, these two angles are there. These angles are known as corresponding angles. Then tell me which are the corresponding angles here. 4 corresponds with 8, 3 corresponds with 7. Similarly, 1 corresponds with 5, 2 corresponds with 6, 1 with 5, 2 with 6, 4 with 8, 3 with 7. Got it? Which are the pairs? 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. These are how many pairs now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means whatever the F shape angle, they are giving you the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. In the interior and alternate angle, there are only 2 pairs. But in corresponding angles, we are getting the 4 pairs. And property of the F shape corresponding angles, what? If lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. Parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. And in the reverse way, if corresponding angles are equal, then line must be parallel. Got it now? Now, just I am revising with one diagram with you. See, this is the line, this is second line, this is the transversal. Then this angle and this angle, these two angles are corresponding angle. This and this corresponding angles. These angles corresponds with this angle, and last, this star is correspond with this. These are the corresponding angles, same notation. Okay. So this is upper part, upper right part. This is also upper right part. Upper left, lower right, lower left. Means 4 pairs of corresponding angles made by transversal with 2 lines. Clear? Now in the next session, we solve examples using these properties and pairs of the angles. Till then, you watch the video, make the notes, complete the notebooks, and do the more practice. Thank you.